Hi everybody, Tamara here with Minard's Leisure World. Today I'm going to walk you through a brand new product that we have just brought in. Now, I think I've said for the last 5 videos, I'm so excited, but I'm really excited about this. So this is a 2024 Brookstone 290 RL. Brand new product for us. Like I just said, we saw it down south when we went and we fell in love and brought them up here as soon as we could. So I'm gonna start right here on the front side. Obviously we've got fiberglass, outdoor speakers here, frameless windows, and if you keep looking up, really nice size awning with that LED light in there and another awning behind me on the slide as well. These guys are a wide body unit, which means 101 inches wide. It is also a drop frame, so look at the space you've got down here for storage. Full pass-through storage, convenience center located on the other side, which I'll walk you through, and then these guys have your slam latches and magnetic clasps as well. Really nice wide solid step here, 4-step. Nice large grab handle here as well. Those flip up super easy. You guys have seen us do that 1,000 times. Asdel. This product is, the interior walls are made with a product called Asdel. So a great feature of Asdel, mold and mildew resistant. You also have less than 1% chance of ever seeing delamination on your unit because they don't retain water. So we can give you more details about that when you come see us. 6-point auto level on this unit comes standard and also 16-inch tires on it as well. The Brookstone is coming prepped with a backup camera back here. We have a couple different sizes. We can put them on in-house, so ask us about that when you come. Rear mounted ladder, fully walkable roof. Get up there, check your seals, maintain your roof. It's very important, you guys. Get up there a couple times a year. It's also coming with a receiver hitch for an accessory rack. Okay, like I mentioned on the other side, 6-point auto level. Your control panel for that is right here. Couple hits of a button. We're setting you up. We're gonna walk you through it before you go. Your convenience center located right here. Outdoor shower, hot and cold. You've got all your winterization there, really easy access. And then this unit does come with an on-demand water heater. I am inside the 2024 Brookstone 290 RL. This is a 3-slide couples coach. My favorite spot, the drop zone, the hutch. You've got plugins here, so if you want to use it as a coffee station, as a bar, as a drop zone for your purse and your phone, easy as that. I'm gonna show you right here. Actually, I was gonna move on to there, but I better show this. Smoked glass finish on the solid wood cabinetry here. Oh, there's some lights here. Vent open, light switches. All of that is located right here. So you got upper cabinet shelving there, and then you do have some more lower shelving right here. This would actually be a really great place for shoes, so keep that in mind. Making my way over to the pantry here. So you've got really nice lipped shelves. So when you're traveling, your stuff is not sliding out. But if you're stacking those cans of soup, watch your toes when you open the door, okay? I'm gonna move on to the 12-volt refrigerator here. So this is a 17 cubic 12-volt refrigerator. There is roof-mounted solar up there. You guys have probably seen lots of 12 volts if you've been watching lots of videos. Nice big residential size fridge. And then you have another cabinet door up here. Now these are solid wood cabinet doors as well. You're also getting solid surface finishes in this kitchen. You're getting the residential faucet. You're getting the nice big stainless steel sink. And you're getting tons of cupboard space down here. Now let's see, you guys know all the time I look for a garbage can. Oh, that one's tight. There we go. Oh, look at these roll out shelves. How handy is that? So really nice place for utensils. As you can tell, this is the first time I'm seeing this unit too, but really handy to have in here as well. Okay, let's look underneath the sink, you guys, see what we've got going here. Room for a garbage, my favorite spot. Popping over across from the island, you have this huge stove here. So 4-burner, really nice size oven. You can cook a turkey or ham if you really wanted. And then you've got drawers on each side, which is a really nice size. Over here, right above, we've got a nice big residential size microwave. More storage cabinets above here. 50-inch LED TV in here, you guys, really nice size. We've got more smoked glass, tons of storage in here. They did a really nice job. Coming down here, you've got your sound bar with your Bluetooth, USB, all of the necessities there. And then you do have your electric fireplace, which has been on. It's very warm in here, and you can change and make it all different nice colors. So on campside, you're getting this beautiful theater seat. Thomas Paine, you guys have seen that collection often in a lot of our units. Manual recliner right there, and then you have storage down here. And then moving on to the kitchen table, we've got 4 freestanding chairs. You are gonna have some storage back here as well. They're kind of like a vinyl finish, so they're gonna wipe off really, really nice. I want you guys to take note of the height of the slide boxes. So sometimes when I'm standing at 5'9", in some of our fifth wheels or in some of our travel trailers, the slide boxes are significantly lower. So this unless you're with a giant, you're gonna have no problem with people in here and lots of headspace. So like I said, 4 freestanding chairs and all of these windows are going to open. Let's go check out the master and the bathroom, but I want to point out this grab handle here on the stairs. So it is slightly curved, really nice accessibility up the stairs. Okay, the Brookstone managed to put a really nice size sink in their bathroom. So they've got storage underneath, some counter space up here. They've got medicine cabinet storage. You're also going to see the step-in shower with the tri-slide doors, little seat in the corner there. It does have a moonlight as well, so you're gonna have a little bit extra headspace. We've got a cubby for storage and some hooks to hang some towels. You've got your water on demand control panel right there, as well as a porcelain foot flush toilet. In the master bedroom of the 290RL, we did option in a king size bed. Now, as you can see, I've got lots of room to walk over here, lots of room over there. If you need it knocked down to a queen, we'll talk about it. You've got 2 windows on each side of the bed that open, as well as a transom style window for more light above. Look up, you guys, there's a second AC optioned in this unit as well. And then back here, we love storage in the front wheel, or in the fifth wheels, the front cap. So we've got a light switch right there, found it. So you've got hanging storage there, shelving storage here. And then if I work my way over this way, it is washer dryer prepped, another light switch there, and more storage space there. Right across from the bed, you are getting your dresser, pretty standard in a bedside unit. Secret storage here, which we've seen often. It's not so secret anymore, is it? 3 drawers up here, and then you've got 4 more smaller drawers down here. You do have room to mount a TV up here or just set it on the dresser here as well. Alrighty, everybody. Once again, my name is Tamara. Thanks for joining me on the tour of this brand new 2024 Brookstone 290RL. So this unit is 36.5 feet tip to toe. But if you want more information about us, look us up at minardsleisureworld.com.